So what is your vision for your business? Where do you want to take your business next?
Man, a 7-story building that's 600 units. Like, you are going to be able to do it. There's no reason why your husband and your brother aren't going to be able to handle it. I've faced a 600 unit 10-story building on my second project with my friend. It was just me and my friend, and we took it down in a week, and we charged $9,000. And here's the funny part. The first go around, because we were learning, it took us 8 days. So it took us 8 working days. But I did it again the next year, and it only took me 4. And that's because the experience came in, right? But with the inexperience, I still was able to get it done, within 8 days. With inexperience, my second project I ever did, and it was 10 stories, and we did with water-fed poles with just me and my buddy. And so when you look at this project, you want to look at this as like, oh, this is a nice little cash flow, nice little cash thing. Like, I'm just going to cash in on it, bang it out in 2 days, and be in and out. You see what I'm saying? I wouldn't even let that job go past 2 days. I would literally get the windows done in 1 day. Actually, not even the windows. I would soft wash it the first day. Just soft wash it, rinse it off, boom, done. And then the second day, just go through and bang it out with water-fed poles the second day. 8 hours, just boom, done.
I never asked you, John.
What's that?
So what is your vision for your business? Where do you want to take your business next?
Man, we're trying to this year I'm trying to go big this year. Actually, this year I'm really just trying to scale out the team. Like, I want to go bigger, where we could have more foremans. It's 2020. I think it's the year of the vision. Last year, what had happened, I think I told you, I got out of the field halfway. So I haven't even had a real opportunity, like, to show what my business can really do. All of the success I've had has been with me in the field, literally in the field. I've only had 6 months out of the field. And this year, I just see, like, we did all we did last year with literally no calling, no sales. I mean, we didn't do any sort of sales last year at all. And we doubled our business from 2018. And that just shows me that the people that we're doing business with, they're sticking with us from 2018 to 2019. And then they're giving us more business from who they know and who they're managing and what they're doing. And so in 2020, if I can just focus on what you're focusing on now, right? Which now I'm doing. I've been doing that for the last 6 months, and now going into 2020, that's what I'm doing, is focus on the deals only. I mean, there's no telling what the business can really do. And so I just want to dominate from LA to Orange County to San Diego, which is they're about 3 hours apart from each other, a 3-hour radius, and Inland Empire. Just dominate this whole area and build the business up to, at least, I would say, my goal is like 3 million. I want to do about 3.